Hello, this is Oscar Moreno with Moreno Custom Home Visions, and today we're going to teach you guys how to choose your appropriate picture hangers or wall fasteners. Here I have a few samples of what's out there, and just keep in mind there's always new stuff coming out. So this is what we have here. Here we have regular old picture hangers that you can choose from different weights, different weight capacities that you have here. These are your basic just picture hangers. What you got here. This is a real light guy. Just make sure that you read your packaging, make sure what your actual picture hangers can hold and what you're actually hanging. So just keep that in mind. Another thing we're going to tell you guys here as well is these are your different types of wall fasteners. We have these guys that screw into sheetrock, and pretty much you can see what they do when they expand. They really don't do much expanding. What actually holds all the weight are the actual large ridges on the actual screw that embed themselves in there. Now, after those guys, let me organize here, would be these guys, which have a little bit more of an expanding power. You can see here that these guys, how they expand, they have a little bit more power than these other guys, but just as well. Hang something a little smaller. We will go into these little blue guys here. They expand pretty well, but they're pretty thin, so their holding power is not that great. Now, if you're looking at holding up something pretty heavy, off of the will be one of your right pieces to choose would be this guy that can hold up to. I know this for a fact that these guys can hold up to 80 pounds. So very strong, very sturdy. You can see how they go in real thin like, so they don't make too big of a hole in your sheetrock. And then how they expand. They actually open up like a little butterfly and expand in there and have a tremendous holding force on them. Not only do they carry the ridges like your first ones here, but they also expand. So you can have a much more better support on there. And that's pretty much how you guys choose your picture hangers and your wall fasteners.